Now that the excitement around the debut of the Galaxy S23 has subsided, it's time for a hot week of Samsung's future foldable phones. When unfurled, foldable gadgets provide consumers with a huge screen while remaining portable. The technology behind foldable smartphones is still in its early stages, and there are some concerns regarding long-term durability and dependability. Many customers, however, are enthused about the possibility of folding phones, and many large technology firms have already developed or announced smartphones in this category. Samsung now leads in this area, and the South Korean company is planning to release two new foldables later this year, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. According to recent reports, the next Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have an extremely sleek design. Super Broader, a YouTuber, has shared concept renderings of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, produced by Techno's Vision. The proposal depicts separate camera rings on the back of the Galaxy S23, delivering a clean appearance design. We could also observe that the phone folds precisely flat, much like other Chinese brands' foldable phones. According to certain sources, Samsung will introduce a new water droplet-shaped hinge design that would enable the phone to fold capless. It will also make the foldable screen wrinkle less obvious. If the report is right, Samsung will resolve the two most prominent issues that Galaxy Z Fold series users have been complaining about. There is still a potential that the completed Z Fold 5 will have some discernible differences when it is released. Meanwhile, the smartphone is said to have the same 6.2-inch cover display with a 120Hz Super AMOLED screen as the Galaxy S7. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy CPU, a 4400 mAh battery, and a 50-megapixel, 12-megapixel, and 10-megapixel triple rear-facing camera sensor are all coming soon. The tablet is unlikely to be coming with a S Pen slot, but it will be compatible with the S Pen Full Edition. So, overall, the Z Fold 5 is a really decent unique product that will be coming out this year with less creases. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.